3 months of 2025 are already gone, just like that. Be honest. What's your actual plan for the rest of the 9 months? Are you finally going to make things happen? Or will you keep pretending you have plenty of time while watching Netflix and eating snacks like it's an Olympic sport? Every day you say, I'll start tomorrow. But let's be real. Was it yesterday, a week ago, or in 2024? Didn't think so. And today, or 2025? It won't be either unless you force it to be. So for the next 7 minutes, hang in tight. No fluff, no sugarcoating, just straight up hacks to dominate the rest of 2025, even if you're lazy. And if you stick around till the end, I promise you won't look at procrastination the same way again. Hack number 1, stop lying to yourself about time. You don't lack time, you waste it. Yesterday, you had time to scroll Instagram Reels for 3 hours, time to rewatch that show, time to stare at the ceiling thinking about how you have no time. You have time, you're just bad at using it. All right, let's be real about how your day actually goes. Alarm set for 7 a.m., but you actually wake up at 8 or 8:30 thanks to late night Instagram stalking. By 9 a.m., you're at work or school, pretending to focus but mostly daydreaming about texting your crush. p.m., I need a break. For hour of scrolling, 6 to 8 p.m., dinner, Netflix, and useless thoughts, 8 to 10 p.m. Time to work on goals but wasting time, 10 p.m. to midnight. I'll sleep early. Nope. Now you're watching relationship advice or stalking your ex, midnight to 8 a.m., finally sleeping or trying to. And just like that, your free time, gone. Now, imagine if you used just 2 hours of those wasted hours to actually work on your goals. Where would you be in 6 months? Blast off. But if you don't know how to achieve your goals, then here is the fix. Time blocking. Assign time slots to things that should be done on time and important. Treat your goals like a non-negotiable meeting, because if you don't, Netflix will RSVP yes to your entire evening. Hack number 2, systems beat motivation. Goals are dreams with deadlines. Systems are how you hit them. For example, your goal is, I want to save $10,000, but it fails 92% of the time. Now coming to system, automate $15 per day to savings. For you, I have got one advanced system building. It might be impactful. First one is the 1 to 3 to 5 rule. One big goal, for example, start a business. 3 medium goals. For example, save 5K, lose 20 pounds, learn something you want to. And 5 daily habits, for example, setting a proper morning routine, no phone for first hour, and so on. So what we learned here, sometimes motivation fails, but systems win. Hack number 3, embrace the suck. The grind isn't fun. Success isn't viral moments. It's waking up early when you want to sleep. Saying no to parties to build your future. Here, truth is, the grind isn't exciting. It's necessary. You should know how to fall in love with the process. Like number 1, track progress. Like journal wins, no matter how small. Number 2, find a why, not I want money, I want freedom. Number 3, compete with yourself, like can I beat yesterday? Hack number 4, digital detox, reclaim your brain. Do you know the average person spends 4+ hours daily on their phone? That's 60 days per year. But think, what are you using it for? Scrolling memes? Watching other people live their dreams? Now, let's swap it just 1 hour a day. Like, learn a skill from free platforms like YouTube, Coursera, Free Code Camp. Build a business in your expertise. For that you can start with Fiverr, dropshipping, network now. DM 3 people in your industry daily, the people who suits to your growth, not for your failure. Your phone is a gold mine. Stop treating it like a trash can. Hack number 5, Small, consistent actions. Procrastination isn't laziness. It's your brain overcomplicating tasks. So small, consistent actions create massive results over time. Let's take the apple tree principle. You plant just one seed, then watering it, just 5 minutes daily care. Then 1 year later, hundreds of apples from one seed. What we learned here, tiny action plus consistency equals huge results. Your small daily choices grow into big rewards. Comment, what seed will you plant today? Now let's see real-world examples. Write 1 page per day equals 2 books per year. 20 push-ups per day equals 7,300 per year. Read 10 pages per day equals 12 plus books per year. Starting is the hardest part. Make it stupid easy. Hack number 6. Energy management greater than time management. You have about 4 to 6 productive hours daily. Protect them fiercely. Here are some circadian rhythm hacks. Golden hour, 6 to 8 a.m. Most people waste this peak mental time. Afternoon slump, 2 to 4 p.m. Schedule easy tasks. Evening wind down, no screens. 1 hour before bed. It's better for better sleep. Nutrition for productivity. Protein-rich breakfast. Healthy fats for brain fuel. Stay hydrated. Even 2% dehydration hurts focus. Hack number 7. The brutal audit. Ask yourself this. Am I really trying or just pretending? Effort. I worked out once this month. Commitment. I haven't missed a workout in 3 months. Be honest. If you're not where you want to be, it's not bad luck. It's bad habits. This is your wake-up call. I'm not here to tell you, you've got this. Because honestly, maybe you don't. That's up to you. But if you decide to dominate this, like really dominate this, 2025 won't be another wasted year. It'll be the year you stop saying, still 9 months left, and start saying, only 9 months left. So, are you in? If yes, then hit the like button to know you are taking it seriously. Also, if this video made you rethink your habits, do yourself a favor. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Because trust me, the rest of 2025, it's gonna be different, and I'll be here making sure you don't fall off. Let's get it.